What are the various types of data? There are four types of data. The first one is qualitative data. Qualitative data or the categorical data describes the object under consideration using a finite set of discrete classes. This type of data can't be counted or measured uh, easily using numbers. For example, the gender of a person, whether it's a male or a female. Then we have another type of data that is nominal data type. There are set of values that don't possess natural ordering. Okay, example, we cannot compare the color one color with another. Like red is greater than blue. We cannot say that red is greater than blue or blue is better than red. We cannot say that. So there is no natural ordering. Such type of data is known as nominal data. Okay. So the next one is ordinal data type. These type of values have the natural ordering while maintaining their classes of values. For example, small, medium, large. Okay, so there is a natural ordering: small, medium, large. Then A plus is definitely better than B grade. Okay, so this is all about the qualitative data. Now we are coming towards quantitative data type. This data type tries to quantify things, and it does not consider numerical value that make it countable in nature. So this type of data is basically used to count things, okay, or to okay, for example, the price of a smartphone, then a discount offered. Okay, and under this the heading of quantitative data type, there are several other types of data. For example, discrete data type. The numerical values which fall under integers or whole numbers are placed under this category. So number of cores in a processor. Okay, number of sims supported. So these are discrete data types. Okay, these can be expressed as a whole numbers or integers. Okay, then we have continuous data type. The fractional numbers are considered a continuous value. For example, a frequency of processor, Android version of the phone. These are the continuous data type. So we have talked about the qualitative and quantitative data types and the subtypes. Okay, now we will see some other types of data in this video itself. Now, under this heading, the types of data, the another subheading is sensor data. So what is a sensor data? A sensor data is the output of a device that detects the response to some type of the input from the physical environment. Suppose there is a sensor. A sensor is used to sense some physical quantity or detect that physical quantity. So whatever physical quantity it is detecting, and it is converting it to some, let's say, electrical quantity like voltage or current. So whatever data that we are getting from that type, okay, from that detection, that can be considered as a sensor data. Okay, now we are coming towards the analog data. What is analog data? Where it is obtained from? Analog data is a data that is represented in a physical way. It is defined at every interval of time. It is obtained from a sensor. Uh, Okay, fine. I'll explain you. So what happens that you can see a graph of voltage versus time. Okay, suppose there is a sensor and it is detecting some value, and it is actually detecting some value and converting it in the voltage. So whatever value it is detecting in the real time, that is represented as voltage. So within that time frame, whatever value of physical quantity is being detected, it is getting converted into voltage. Okay, so during that time frame, this whole set of voltage or whole set of data is in analog form. So this is analog data or organic data or real world data. You know what, in real world whatsoever data we get, it is always in analog form. Now we are coming towards the digital data. Now, digital data. What is digital data? Where it is obtained from? Digital data is information represented as strings of discrete symbols, each of which can be taken on one of only finite number of values from some same alphabet, such as letters or digits. Okay, I'll tell you. Uh, Whatever data you are getting, if it is in binary format, let's say 0 or 1 or on or off, you can consider that as a digital data. Okay, it's basically strings of discrete symbols. Okay, a string of another example can and another example can be a string of alphanumeric characters. Okay, the other type of data is text data. The text data consists of documents which can represent word, sentences, or even paragraphs of free flowing text. Okay, so basically, this is a type of data that consists of text only. Okay, then coming towards image data. What is image data? Data produced by scanning a surface with an optical or electronic device is known as image data. For example, scanned documents, remotely sensed data, that is satellite images, aerial photographs, etc. These are image data. Then coming towards audio data or audio file. So what is audio file or audio data? Audio is a sound within the acoustic range available to the human, and that is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Audio file is a record of captured sound that can be played back. The sound is a sequence of naturally occurring analog signals. So basically, you can consider this audio data as your analog data itself, but it has got some certain patterns. Okay, so this is equal to your analog data itself. Now coming towards video data. So what is video data? Video is an electronic medium for recording, copying, playback, broadcasting, and display of moving visual media. The data is obtained. The data obtained is video data. Okay, so we have talked about various types of data, and I have tried to give you an exhaustive range of all types of data that is actually under consideration, that can actually be studied. Uh, you can find more about data in this particular channel itself, where I have dealt with the structured and unstructured data. Uh, okay. In fact, there is a complete table, complete binary tree of different types of data as shown in this channel itself. So you can view that. Uh, Hope you have uh, got an exhaustive range of the set of types of data. So keep watching my videos. Till then, thank you.